Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can replace this Toyota Prius car's spark plugs. And this service is good to do within every 40,000 miles or then this 70,000 kilometers. And we have to now take these spark plugs away, and there are some parts what we have to take away that we can go to this spark plug holes area. Okay, and let's go to look at how this job happens. Okay, and this job starts that we have to take firstly out this relay box, and for that job we need 10 millimeter this socket, and there is two bolts what we can open in here. And now I take my wrench that I can open this. And there is first bolt, and here is second. 10 millimeter is socket size, and there is second bolt. Good. And after that it is good that we install all parts in some box, because then it is easier to find these bolts and nuts. Okay, and then I move this relay box in this position. Okay, and after that we go to look these ignition coils and spark plug area. Okay, and then we need 10 millimeter socket which in these ignition coils keeping bolts. This is first one, then second is in here, this goes nicely in there, and then third one is in here, and fourth one it is in here. And these are a little bit, there is not so much space, but we can rotate these all bolts away in here, and let's look at how this happens. Okay, and now I a little bit loosen these all bolts. This is my target, that I loosen, because next we have to take out these ignition coils connectors, and these connectors they kind to be really tight, and that's we need sometimes special tools. And next we open these connectors. There is really this connector, and idea is to press this central area and then pull out this cable in that way. This is the trick. Firstly the central area and then pull out. But sometimes these are very tight, and we might have now second. Now this is tight, and that's I need now special tool. I need hook based tool that I can a little bit lift up this carefully in that way. Do not break too much, and then I manage to take it out. Okay, do not bend too much, because then we can broke this tool. And then we have next one. In here I press that. Okay, and it opens also. And then this final one, fourth one, is really difficult position, and that's we have to take out this cable set. Okay, and we really need to take out this one 10 millimeter bolt in here, that one 10 millimeter socket, and there is this bolt. It looks like that, and after that we can little bit move this cable set, because now there is situation that this area is really small and tight. Okay, and now when we look in here, in that final part in here, it is good that we remove now this ignition coil keeping bolt. It looks like that, and after that I can lift that little bit up, and there is this connector, and this is really bad position, and now I press that and I hope that this part opens. Yes, it opens, and this was really small area in here, and now I can take this first ignition coil away, and there is, by the way, type, product code if we need to purchase new. This Denso is best maker and brand in this further parts. And then I take the second coil away, and let's look that when I have take out all of these three. Okay, and now I have take out all of these locking bolts, and then I can lift this ignition coil away, and next ignition coil, and this is the first one, cylinder 1 ignition coil. Okay, and there is this first ignition coil, and really if we have any issues in these coils, we can replace all of these or then one by one. Normally these Toyota's originals last really long time. Okay, and now when ignition coils is away, then we can go to take out these spark plugs, and it happens so that we need now 16 millimeter spark plug, this socket. This is a little bit longer, and this part fits nicely in here. In that way it goes in deeper, and let's go to look. Socket really, it goes nicely, and then we need a little bit longer this bar extension, like 20 centimeters, so that it goes in here. And after that I take my wrench, and in this direction. Okay, now it is the, now I have to take a little bit longer extension. Okay, and I can really open these spark plugs so that my spanner is in here, in that position. I install like in here, and then opening direction is in that way, that I move this my tool a little bit in here, and it could move in here in that way. Start, end. Okay, now is free. Then I rotate that back and open, and when we have this socket, where is this magnetic head in here, inside in here, it keeps this my socket in position. Note, there is really magnet inside in here, and spark plugs goes, they are like in that way, and they are easy to take out. And then we need to purchase just similar spark plug, and we can see if we have this Densos that there is this code. What is this? SK16R11. There is this code in the spark plug, and 4 pieces of these, and we can purchase this spark plug from Toyota dealership center or then in like Amazon.com. And Denso is really the best brand for this Toyota car and Lexus car and also most all other cars also. Okay, good. Then when we have purchased these new spark plugs, we install these new spark plugs back so that carefully we install this back in the hole in this way, and we can go to look closer. Then I rotate this my socket and this extension in my hands in that way so long then this moves. And we can use, by the way, in this socket threads area some oil that it goes nicely. And now when it stops, then I take my spanner, like in that one, and I tighten this. I tighten this spark plug, and note, this is only 20 centimeters long, and we can use this torch wrench tool, and this amount is about 20 Newton meters is this force what I use. And be carefully that do not use too long extension, because we can broke this spark plug hole. Only small tool like that one. And now this spark plug is replaced. And this was this spark plug replace works purpose, and then I replace also second, third and fourth spark plug, and after that I install back these ignition coils and I connect these cables, and then this spark plug replace job is ready. Thank you.